Yo, today I made a track in the style of PAWSA by only using our new Groove Architect sample pack. Let's go.
Bass bumping on that beat, get it bumping on the floor. Tonight we bringing heat, turn the beat up little more. Bass bumping on that beat, get it bumping on the floor. Tonight we bringing heat, turn the beat up little more. Get it bumping on, get it bumping, get it bumping, get it bumping.
So like what I said, I've only used sounds from the new sample pack, and especially this road sound is really got my attention. I really like these kind of sounds. So it's not from a digital synth or something. No, this is just real analog stuff. And that's the reason why it sounds warm like this. So I just only threw in some sounds. It's just super simple to make tracks in the style of PAWSA instantly with using this pack only. So for the drums, I've used this top loop only with this kick underneath it. And PAWSA is always doing this kind of stuff with the kick. I like that groove in the kick with these double kicks and these triple kicks. It's awesome. Together with the bass loop, it sounds like this. I sidechained this with the Kickstart 2 and I've used the band mode, so I only want to have the low frequencies in the sidechain, not like the higher frequencies of the bass guitar. And in the B part, I filtered the high frequencies out of the sound a little bit, because I have this sound on top of that. Initially it was this loop. But I only want to have the first, like the first chord, because this was fitting better underneath this bass guitar. And then I have this glitch loop. And a head loop underneath. So together all the drums sounds like this. And then with the bass loop. Satisfying, right? And super simple to make. Then the next thing is this vocal.
Bass is bumping on that beat, get it bumping on the floor. Yo, tonight we bringing heat, turn the beat up little more.
I only did some stuttering here with the beat mode on the beats, like this, and then the preserve to 116, then the right arrow, and then this to 75%. And then no further post-processing, only some delay stuff. It just opens up here a little bit, and right here. So yeah, no further post-processing, no EQ, no sidechain. It just sounds good instantly. So that is the vocal. Then I have this funk lead from the pack. So beautiful. And then together with the bass, it sounds like this. And there's so much happening in the call and response, you know, like especially when you hear this. And then it goes back. I really like that. So it's really talking with you. So this one is really great. Then I only added some effects here and there. I have this fill. And then this noise. And then I have a small laser here. And then some one-shots of the vocals to fill up the gaps. Like here I have a small gap. I cut it away a kick. Together with the drums it sounds like this. I will show you that. These kind of details really makes tracks like this interesting and stand it out from the rest, you know? And that is what PAWSA is doing a lot in his production. So there's a lot of small things happening, like call and response things that really makes the track stand out more. This is actually everything I've used in this project. I just literally made this in 10 minutes and it's only dragging some sounds here and there on top of each other, stacking some sounds, and then you get this. Oh, I forgot to mention that I reversed the drum loop here, and then I have this double kick. That's everything I did. Super simple, but very effective. So please don't forget to subscribe on the YouTube channel. We really appreciate that. And if you want to make tracks in this genre, this pack is literally everything you need. So thanks for watching to this video, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye bye.